Okay, looking at number 3, what is the solution to this system? Use a graph, circle your answer. So we're given two equations here. The first one is y equals negative 3x minus 5. So we're going to start at negative 5 for that y-intercept. So this could be a potential, this could be a potential, this could be a potential, but this one does not cross, letter C does not cross at negative 5, so we can go ahead and cross that one out. Then I know my slope is negative 3, so I'm going to go up 3 to the left one. This one goes to the right, so letter A is not going to be our graph. If we look at letter B, I go up 3 to the left one, so letter B could still be an option, and letter D could still be an option. Okay, so let's look at our second line here. Our second line is y equals 3x plus 1, so that means I'm going to start at positive 1 on the y-axis, and letter B does not do that, so letter B is not our answer, and letter D starts at 1 on the y-intercept and has a slope of 3, so we know letter D is our option. Number 4 says, why would substitution be the best method to solve this system? Well, if you look at these two equations here, my first equation is solved for x, so I can very easily plug this negative 3x plus 1 in for x. So you can go ahead and explain that in words. I would say something along the lines of, you already have an equation solved for a variable, and it's easy to plug in. To solve for y.